Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So I'll just hop on the car and I'll let my wife tell me where we're going. So, where are we at?
Today we are at Omma Dayclub in Bali. I know that there are lots of day clubs to visit out here, so I just looked them up. I looked up like top 6 or whatever.
Yes.
And this one is the only one that not only looks over something beautiful, but it's actually a waterfall and not rice paddies, which that would have been wonderful too.
Yes.
And maybe the next one we go to will do that. But this one is a waterfall, so let's check it out.
Alright, so you heard her. We're experiencing this for the first time with you.
Try that again. We're what?
So we're experiencing the first time. We're experiencing this the first time together.
Experiencing.
Gina?
Okay, but you're saying experience.
That's what I want to say. Experience.
Okay.
We're experiencing this first. We're experiencing. Oh, it.
We're splurging a little bit today. So the minimum to sit in the area that we chose is 1 million rupiah.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So we came here and
we just balling out of control today.
I wouldn't say balling out of control, but we're definitely treating ourselves.
We're all VIP in the VIP area. We feel like we're in Vegas.
We're
doing the whole day club thing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Suksama.
Just
So
had our
we're
towels
over
delivered.
here. Just got our towels delivered at our day bed with the little day bed package.
Yeah, it's definitely feel like you're back in the States doing this, but
Yeah,
it's cool. We haven't done this all year.
No,
So,
we're so frugal, and so I mean, when in Bali,
well, when in Bali, you do yoga and pray. But when you're at the day club, you do what you gotta play. You do club stuff.
do yoga and pray. Yes. We've done that too.
Yes, we have done all that.
We've done all of it.
This is spoiling ourselves. This is fun. This will be
We're just
good.
spoiling ourselves. We are about 2.5 weeks away from our 1-year anniversary.
Yes, yeah.
And this is just a little early celebration.
Yeah.
Why not? You know,
That's true.
Why
That's
not?
very
And this
true.
view is incredible.
Yeah, show them the view.
We just need to. You heard the man. He
Show
said
them
it.
the view thing.
Show him the view.
Show them the view?
You like it?
Pretty cool. Yes.
So, I showed y'all the view. this is the best view in the house.
Yes. Mwah. Yes.
And we're just gonna enjoy the day.
Yeah.
Just treating ourselves and enjoying all of this.
You got that right. So we might show more stuff, we might not. I don't know.
I don't know.
But just know we're having a good time.
And I know that I will be swinging on that swing
Oh yeah.
in a little while.
Yes.
So, just so you know, the price of this package and the entrance here at Omma, all you need to do is purchase a ticket to see the waterfall, which costs
20,000 a piece.
20,000
It's like $1.25 or something like that.
And that's it.
Yeah.
There's no entrance fee.
Yeah, $1.50.
Yeah, no entrance fee for Omma.
Uh-huh.
And you can use the pool and the facilities all day for free. There's no minimum. But if you want a table or a day bed or, you know, whatever, a place that's yours to sit, the minimum price was about 700.
700,000.
I think like 700,000 you can get a table or something,
Right.
and then it just goes up depending on where you want to be seated.
Right.
So we chose this, and this one was 2 million, and it's on the second floor, not the pool level. So we're excited about what we chose,
Yes, very much so.
and we're just gonna have fun today.
Hell yeah. See you on the other side. Bye. Whiskey sour, little.
An Aperol Spritz.
Yeah, we're gonna get it going right away. Hey.
So good. Crispy duck. And this Rosella lemongrass lemonade. So good. You waiting for your burger,
Wait
baby?
for my burger. I can't wait. But that duck does look good though.
Oh my god.
Duck goose.
Ooh, I'll wait for you.
No, don't wait. Just go get
You
to it.
always wait for me.
Yeah, because I'm a
I'll
man.
wait for you.
I'm a man. That's what I do.
What a beautiful day it's been.
It's been a great day. Yes.
I've been wanting to try this crispy duck since we've gone to Bali because it's on like every menu, but I just haven't tried it yet, so I thought today would be the day.
I hear it crispy.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Oh yeah. ducking?
The duck is ducking.
I had duck in years.
Has like some of the onions on that.
Tastes like duck. It's not good though. That I mean, it's not bad though. That
Little onion stuff.
the little onion thing is pretty good.
I have like
That's good.
coconut.
Damn.
Oh, that burger looks
Here
amazing.
comes my burger though.
Burger.
That's the burger.
Out of this world. I saw it.
So, yes.
That looks like a juicy burger.
That is.
That is a juicy burger, huh?
That is a juicy burger.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're gonna enjoy this meal, and then figure out how we're gonna get home.
Yeah.